You know, it's Gamer, my nigga, your boy Chief Gamer the Major, my nigga. Falls up and over my niggas driving direct, you know what I'm talking about, my nigga. You niggas know about it, man. You niggas better stay where you at, nigga. You niggas ain't ready to come fuck with my niggas, man. You take a look around, my niggas moving, my nigga. What's happening, nigga?
Calfeed Othello, Holly D. Henderson, what is? Okay, man.
Highway to the south, east, west.
It's just like this. I mean, you don't do that. Hoover don't do that. You do this.
I'm trying to do.
Put your fingers down. Non-deuces don't do that. Non-deuces do that. Non-deuces do that. Non-deuces do that.
Rat pack, right?
Hoovers do this. All Hoovers.
I told him, we don't depend on everybody, man. So how do you
Huh?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. How do you go?
Let me hit that. Let me hit that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you niggas.
What y'all gonna
What is it, man? Matt Gamer, man. Ice Gang Official, man. You know what I'm saying? Gamers. We do it, man. From the south end to the west of the highway, man. We've connected, man. Dig that. Highway.
Yeah, better check this out, right? Set a bitch break better for that, you feel me? Yeah, prostitution is the solution. If you got a problem, I got a solution for it. You feel me? Conversation rule the nation, man. I'm trying to knock me a bitch real quick. Give me some of this cheddar, man. You feel me? Palms at the end, too.
Yeah, yeah.
When it was
up big
like that.
Y'all here at this little Hoover, man. You fuck with y'all. Feel me? This ain't really no meeting. This is niggas get together, make sure everybody know each other. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everybody on the same page.
Hold on. Promo plug. Top the big steak. It's out. It's hot. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with it.
You on that I Should Be Alive album coming out in a few months.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck with it. Fuck.com. Goddamn right. I'm fucking with twins. That's my teddy. You goddamn right. I'm fucking with twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Not just an order. That's my family.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Shit.
Yeah, cool. No, man, it's Rat Pack family right here. Kilo Rat, Rico Rat's motherfucking great.
Hey, man,
Rat Pack,
niggas at the world know what it is on the camera, man. We're going to put that on YouTube.
Wherever they come in, you'll catch you later, nigga. Yeah, a lot of niggas noodles out about this horror shit, nigga. Know about it.
Put the camera down.
Come on, what up? Come on, Rat. Come on, Rat.